Good morning and good evening. Welcome back to the stream. Happy Thursday. I don't know what's so happy about Thursday, but I'm pretty happy. Relatively so, but still. Hey, we're doing the game. I have a lot of it to show from yesterday, so I'm gonna do that in one sec. Just gonna raise this up. Yep, that's better. So, last time, aka yesterday, I was, I think, working on stream on sounds, if I remember correctly. Or was it animations? I don't even remember. I think I was looking for sounds, tweaking them, maybe adding them and such. So now I have added quite a bit of them. So first up, let's take a look at, I guess we just have the regular walking around sounds. So hopefully those, you can pick those up. Yeah, so we have the just walking on this like default grass sound. Rolling is still in here. Next, I have attacking. So like there's one attack when you do it from above, and then another sound when you do it sideways. I've also, I don't remember if I did this previously, but I have fixed the trails. So now they are always proper. I did figure out, by the way, what was wrong. So I think it's like, if you go, I think it's attack, move, attack. Yeah, there you go, and stop. So that's how you make it like not worky. So I'll try to fix that. Oh, chat rate 1. There's something in chat. Wait a minute. So am I not seeing YouTube chat? 1 second. Where is live sound of sand? Hello? Damn it, I don't have chat here. Join a conversation. Open panel. Okay, 1 sec. I'm gonna try to sound rec productions. Sign into chat. But can I see chat if I'm not signed in? Or is just Twitch kind of bamboozling me? Twitch might be bamboozling me a little bit. Because now there's no more chat rate. I wonder. Sure. Give me 1 sec. I'll just do a thing. Actually, on the other hand, no, I'm not gonna risk that. I'm just gonna try to disable whatever I have that's turning YouTube minimalist. YouTube recommended in shorts. Okay, yeah, so it's unhook. Manage extension. Let's turn it off. Okay, yep, I now have chat, so I think all is good. Top chat. Live chat. Can I pop out chat? Yes, I can pop out chat. And then I move here. And you see how much excitement just from even OBS showing it for a couple of milliseconds that there are like chatters in YouTube. That is a day to celebrate. Anyway, yeah, what I was saying, so fix the trails. I know they're still kind of separated in these like wishy-washy, but that's fine for now. Next up, yeah, so the grass has sounds, typical. What's new is now the puddle has sounds. So it kind of switches dynamically between if you're walking on grass or you're walking in water, and water just makes a sound now. So hopefully that's nice. Like I could be failing so hard right now since I don't have headphones, so I don't know if there are sounds. So in case that might be the case, do let me know. But yeah, there should be sounds for both, and hopefully they're not too annoying. I don't think I finished like completely doing it, since it always starts from the same place, and it's really nice when it kind of randomizes from where it begins. So I don't know if I like try jumping around between two locations, it should kind of work. Like you should kind of hear it just kind of the water sounds, I believe, starting at the same start time. So yeah, that's something. Next up, we have the tree. Like when you hit it, it now has like the bonk sound for a tree being hit. And same with the slash, and it's quite fun now. Like when you like slash around in like lots of trees. That's nice. Up next, we have the chest. I am really happy with the chest. So now with the chest, you can hit it and it will open. It will also like make a little ding sound. So that's like for the metal hitting. And as you can see, it's also randomized. So there are 4 different ding sounds. So this is going to be for combat, but also I thought, yeah, let's add it to chest. Chest has a little bit of metal. And then, so that's how you open it. And you can open it just by hitting it from multiple sides. Yeah, and if you want to close it, you hit it from the other side. And that opens it. So, from the side. Oh, yeah, that's too little. There we go. And then from this side, yeah, this is still for opening, this is for closing. And this is how it looks from the other side. And you can close it. Now, I notice, you might notice that there's a problem right with this one. You can't see at all what's inside here. Like you kind of need to cheat a little bit and do stuff like this. So I'm not going to fix that now, perhaps. There are 2 ways to fix it, either to make levels that account for that, so that might be one of the cases. Or the other one would be I need to... the other solution would be that I need to... add camera rotation of some kind of button. So I will explore that idea at some point, maybe. All right, so I guess that's it for a little showcase of what happened, I guess. I think that's all. Like I haven't added any more sounds. So let's get back to trying to fix the player's thing. So if we move, attack, and then stop, something bad happens. So maybe it's idling. Let's try looking for player and idle. Animation player, attack 1. So idle. Idle does a full reset. Roll. Yeah, so idle does a full reset. So if we play the idle animation, we pretty much know that we have stopped attacking. Now, where do we play animation idle? Animation idle we play in one case. That is, if we don't have a direction And we are moving. There we go. And then idle. There we go. Yeah, so that's bad. Yes. Okay, yeah, this one is a bit complicated. All right. At least it feels complicated. So if we have a direction and we're not doing something, we run. Then right now, let's say we are moving. Okay, I have an idea. So, this would be so much simpler with just state machine. Like so much simpler, incredibly simpler. I'm feeling lazy though. That's not a good sign. That's basically a sign that this is going to rot a little bit. But I'm going to say it's fine for now. I'm just going to say, is it faster for me to just figure this out and kind of duct tape it, or is it faster for me to do it properly? Since I will have to do it properly afterwards, or I guess just more proper. There isn't even a thing as proper. I'll just do it in a way that's easier to maintain. There we go. So, what are we trying to do? So this part down here is responsible for running when we are not doing anything else and we have a direction. So this is good pretty much always, I assume. Now here what we want to do is we want to idle when we don't have a direction, and we don't want to idle again. So I guess that is the simplest. That is the simplest solution. So doing something is idling. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm just gonna move this one here. So if no animation is playing, then we run. So the default when we're doing something, right? No. So idling is not doing something. Idling is equal to not doing something. No, we're not idling. That's not. Idling is just for the animation. Okay, if we don't have a direction and we're not doing something and we're not idling, then moving idling is equal to true. So now we're idling. And here, if we're moving, if we have a direction, we're not doing something. So idling is equal to false. So here it's good actually, because we start idling, we start playing the animation, then we stop. But now there's the problem that idling doesn't get unset. If doing something idling is equal to false. There we go. So that's one way to do it. Yeah. Not. So if we're doing something, we're not idling. But if we're not doing something, that doesn't mean that we're idling. Idling gets set here. Yeah, right. Or should I set it at the end? Because, yeah, so idling, moving. That could be. No, I think this should be higher up. Yeah, this should be higher up. So now basically we're checking if we're doing any of these things. Moving, and then if we don't have direction and we're not idling, we kind of set moving to false. So this should probably work, I imagine. Let's take a look. Hopefully this doesn't like make any flip-flops or anything. Right, so okay, so now we never stop moving. Yes. We never stop moving. So no direction. And we are moving. So yes, so and we are moving. So we want to idle. Damn it, so I guess doing something else. Okay. Right, so if we, let's say we don't have direction and we're not idling. Then we start idling. Actually, I should separate these out. If we don't have a direction and we are moving, moving is equal to false. Move particles disable. Move stream player stop. So basically, I am disabling these, right? So, and now, if we are not idling and we're not doing something, then I'm going to idle. If we wait, so if we have a direction, yeah, if we have a direction and we're doing something, else, yes. So how is this going to work? So if we are doing something, we're not idling because we are already doing the other animation, which is good. Now, if we are not doing any animation, but we're still doing something, we're just going to default to run. If we don't have a direction and we are moving, we're going to stop moving. Which might be problem. Don't have a direction. Have a direction. Wait, so have a direction is equal, dart is equal to 0 or dash dir equal to 0. So we have the or. Dash direction, do start off as 0, and then you kind of just normalized, and then you get reset to 0. Okay. So we have a direction if we're dashing. Oh boy. Wait, no, but we will have a direction always, I think. We're always going to start off with a direction. Yes, so we have a direction. Huh. But damn, this is so complicated. Oh, why is this so complicated? Okay. Yeah, I have spaghettied myself horribly in here. If I have to get back to this and I have to do something else, I am just doing the refactoring then 100%. Because I am all just barely understanding what's happening here. So if no animation is playing and we're doing something, we're playing role. Okay. Okay, gotcha. If we don't have a direction. Okay. Have direction is going to be both or dash direction is not equal to 0. So now what's happening is we are let's do that. We are going to be yes. If we don't have a direction, and we're moving, if we have a direction and we're not moving, I'm not going to be doing this one. I'm not going to be pressing idle. There we go. Else if. Right. So this one just basically enables and disables. So running is only when... So when do I start moving? I think this one has to go below. Yes. So don't have direction. So if we do have direction and we're not moving, set moving to true. Moving to true. Yes. Alrighty. So this is just about moving. So now that doesn't matter. Doing something goes here. Okay. So if we are doing something, we just set our idling to false. And if we're not playing an animation and we're doing something, animation.play run. Oh boy. But so technically this should be, the animation should be already playing since play is already called up above. So that's fine. All right, let's just for clarity, only moving is equal to moving and not dashing and not rolling and not attacking, and we're only moving. Then we're gonna do animation, not play animation run. But else, if we are not idling and we're not doing something, we're gonna set idling to true and we're gonna play animation idle. So hopefully this one should be the winner and actually do what I want. So we don't run. Do we roll? We do roll, and then we start running. So idling kind of fails us here. All right. Attacking doesn't. I can do all of this stuff with attacking. Okay, so I think only the start to idle is doing some issues. So let's take a look at that again. So we have a direction. We have a direction. And we are not moving. Yes. So moving, play. Doing something is moving, dashing, rolling, that. If we're doing something, we're not going to be idling. If no animation, if we are only moving, and idle animation is playing by default, and it's a looping animation, so this doesn't work. If we are okay. What do we do here? What do I do here? I rewrite the whole thing. That's what I have to do here. But I'm stubborn today. I don't know why. So the issue now is that idling is an animation, so we are playing. And that's not really a good check. So if we're only moving, I guess if we're only moving, then I want to play run. But now we have a problem that oh wait, this is also problematic because wait, no, we have a direction. Have a direction and not moving. Oh, so wait, so I can actually do play here. Play here. I can do play here. So I can do play here. This is going to fire once. But this is going to override the other animations. Unless I also add a... Oh boy. Doing something besides moving equal to doing something besides moving. Alrighty. If we're doing something besides moving, if we're not doing something besides moving, then I'm going to play the run animation here. And I guess that's basically only moving. I can just, I can invert this so we're not dashing and not doing something, right? Not doing something while moving. Yeah, okay. And then we don't have an animation playing. That's that. So let's try it. We are moving. We are dashing. After dashing, we are moving. Yes, that is correct. We stop. When we stop, we attack. When we attack, we don't move. When we stop attacking, we start moving. We roll. If we roll while attacking, it cancels out and then everything is fine. It's okay. And then if we stop after a roll, we just go into idle. If we stop after attacking, we go into idle. And I guess that is now everything. Let's check if sound is okay and all the sounds are playing like properly. But I guess since animation's okay, it's likely that everything is okay. everything is working. Even sounds, that is good. Let's do, where's the raycast? There's another raycast. Intersects ray, check ground. Seek 0, move stream dot play. Okay. Seek. Let's get a random position. So, length is equal to get length. F seek to gd dot random float times length. And you want to be a float? Nope. You want to be a, yes, you do want to be a float. Oh, this is a double, yeah. This is a float, yes. Okay. And then same thing here. All right. So now it should play at a random point after going between the two. Let's see how that sounds. Yeah, that's not working. Cool. Seek random f dot times length. Right. Huh. I guess I'm gonna do run sound 0 dot length. Since that's not yet the stream, I guess. Okay, let's try that. Interesting. I don't know how. Ah, okay, there we go. That's what the issue was. So now it's going to play from that position. Also, we start check ground. If moving, else stream player dot seek. Okay. This can be simplified a whole bunch, can't it? No, I put it wrong place. Here. Now this can be simplified. Current is equal to pool. And then we are just, what are we using current for even? Okay, I was just checking. Index is equal, current is equal to ground. So for ground we do 0, else we do 1. We do index. Yes, that's length. If we're moving, then we play it. If we're doing, then we seek it. Will changed equals false. Changed equals true. So if not changed, return. Okay. Right. So here we are doing everything we need to do. If we haven't changed, we just return. Have the index. We set the stream. We get the length. We seek it or we play it, and then we print it. And now we only print it sometimes. Yeah, that sounds way more random. Good. We have fixed the animations and stuff. The particles still work. Cool. Everything seems to be working. We're done with that. So let's see. Attack, hit, SFX. We have that done. Movement sound effects. We have that done. With dash sound effects. We have that done as well. Attack, hit, shockwave, push. Not gonna do that right now. There are a lot of sound effects for Cuber, Juno, movement as effects, model Juno. I guess, yeah. I could kind of remove these and just leave what's left at this point. Sure, let's do that. Done, so. And then, so this is gonna be everything. And this is gonna be what's not done yet. So, for the player, we're done. For Cuber, we are done. Here. That's can keep that one for now. Okay, these are done. Then model. Pretty much everything besides the movement SFX. Cool. Grubbo. Speaking of Grubbo, we have a model. We have a idle animation. We have a run animation. We have dash, directing, thinking, attack 1, attack 2 even. Excited to show those. Talking is the same as Juno right now. That is fine. I don't have a land animation. I do have a stagger and a hurt. No land, no VFX, done. That's a weird place to put it, yeah. Tech hit, movement, VFX, chat bubble. I guess I will add those. Resting animation. No resting animation yet. Which ones do I want? I want to do talking. Talking I definitely want to do. Let's just get rid of these. Stagger and heart. Yes, so talking, land, resting, those I would like to do. Voice text lines, definitely. Think, interact. Actions, haven't added those that. Random spawn, fall from the sky. Land, attack, sound effects, yeah, haven't done those. Rupert, haven't done anything with Rupert yet. Attack, clash. Attack, clash, sound effects, I think that's kind of done. But I'm not gonna sure since I'm not quite sure if I've done attack clashing. Next up, decor, sand pile, beach flower models, no. Wave crashing sound, no. Ambient chasm echoes, no. Palm tree leaves, brushes. That's a sound. No, I have not done the brushes sound. Right, grassy grass. Interact, shuffle effect. Yeah, I think we're done with this one. Palm tree, we have done. Chest, done. Music, calm, mystery, fight, danger, not yet. End game, leave cave, show end of game, not done. Health bar, stamina bar, power bar, not done. Also, wire start, continue, pause, exit, nope. Options, volume, nope. Intro sequence, that's not done. Penguin, gonna need some stuff. Main menu, start game options, exits, backgrounds, gameplay, player sound, ground animation. No. Lol. Okay. This still applies, but just when I completed. When done. After processing the text bubble, indicator more visible. Yeah. Right, so this is the actual list of stuff that still needs to be done. So we have what is this? Around 100, so more than halfway done. Okay, never mind. It's more like 120-ish because we also have gaps. But yeah, so I guess around halfway done. So let's get fully done. Let's make a new scene. And this is gonna be Grubbo. So first we add Grubbo. Then we add, I guess save it first as characters Grubbo. Then I would like to, I guess, open up Juno because Juno is going to be the closest to Grubbo. I'm gonna once again rotate the armature 180 degrees. So that's, as always, Grubbo is facing backwards. Though I guess that the actual problem is that I'm not moving in the right direction, am I? That might be good to fix at some point. It's fine. I'll write it down. Where is the page down? So I guess to do. Can I rename this, please? I would like to rename this file. To do prototype. All right, I want a new to do a new global to do. Fix character directions, all facing, not opposite of forward. Okay. Then what else do we have here? We have hands and we have particles. Cool, but we don't want hand particles. Oh, these are hand particles, like similar to Cuber. But I guess I only need right hand. And then, yeah, right hand. Oh, this is also called Juno model. Nice. So right hand. And this is not going to be right hand. This is going to be axe. Oh. Okay, wait. I want to bring this. Is this a bone attachment? Oh, yes, this is a bone attachment. Oh, awesome. I can just do that then instantly. Nice. Axe, bone attachment, right particles. And then you are going to be over here. Nice. Like so. And then, yeah, I don't need to do anything else, I guess. Except I need to finish up with the animations. So I did attack. Oh, I did not do these, I guess. So path, assets, models, grubbo, animation, attack 1. Grubbo, animation, attack 2. Dash backwards. I guess I don't need it for dash backwards. So that's fine. Hurt. No, hurt, but hurt is a linearly looping animation. Dash forward, dash backward. Yeah, these are fine. I guess I will add the this one. Alright, so hurt, I guess at the same time also needs one. Assets, grubbo, animation, hurt. So hurt, idle, keep custom tracks. They are linear, interact, nothing. Resting. Yeah. Linear, looping. Keep custom track. Though I guess it's not going to be looping for now. Animation. Resting. Roll. Enabled on. Grubbo. Animation roll. I think I don't have to do all of these. I'll just do, I guess, roll. Yeah. Wait, roll is not a looping one. Running is, and I'm gonna do animation run. This is gonna get really repetitive really fast. Hopefully there's like an auto way to do this. Stagger, talking, thinking, no. Okay, re-import. It crashed. Beautiful. Let's get to trapped. And let's take a look. Okay, Grubbo, do you still have all of the custom ones? For the most part, yes. Good. What about you? Can I just import rest as something? Animation, import trimming off, remove immutable, import path, import script. So, I guess an import script would help. I assume so. Apply root scale, import skeleton, sure targets. Okay, I think that's fine. So I guess we're done with that. Now I need a script. Grubbo, you go here. I'm gonna open up Juno, copy over everything basically from Juno to Grubbo. What a twist. This is gonna be Grubbo. Okay. Yep. Attack 1, attack 2. Yeah, that's the voice lines. I'm gonna remove my name is I am Grubbo. There we go. Animation, test, play, random. Yep. Target process state, start random. Combating, combat. Moving, process state, starting action. Instead of started talking, we go start attacking. There we go. Distance, yeah, and also cuber, or okay, instead of cuber, we want to go with Juno. Yes. Random position. Juno something. So we have Juno and show Juno. Text line show Grubbo. Text line. And show Grubbo text line. Public static void show Grubbo text line index dd.print do. Okay, that's sorted. I should be able to then just add the nodes, animation player. That's easy. Movement particles, I haven't added those yet. I believe these are the movement particles. Movement particles. And that might be the case. Yes. Movement particles here. They're at the, and then the bounding box. Player Cubo. Grubbo. After Juno. Let's put you here. Okay. And then let's take a look. Oh, I don't know why. Grubbo, you need a bounding box. Area bounding box. And you're not a test dummy. So begin. Yeah. Yeah, All right. Following. Following animation is pretty funny. Yeah, attacking. Wait, I think I actually did the wrong one. Cuber. So combat, start combating. Okay, yeah, I did the wrong one. So Grubbo and start attacking. Yeah, start attacking. I actually want to start combating. And I guess in case 0, I can just do start combating. So we're going to have Grubbo just following us around and combating us a lot more often. So we can see how that looks. So now we're idle. Grubbo is now looking at Juno. Yeah. Now Grubbo is following. Grubbo is interacting or talking. Looking at someone. We're running away. Doot, doot, doot. Running somewhere else. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nice. We have all the animations. Right, number of states. There's 9. Yes, there's 9 states. Combating, the duration. Let's do 3 plus 3. Just so we have some longer time with that. So start combating, follow distance. Let's do this one be 2. Because I think Grubbo is just a bit closer. Let's see if that works. Now Grubbo is talking, interacting, attacking. Yeah. Nice. Cool. Oh, but the particle stuff isn't activating, I think, yeah? Oh, because I haven't added it to the animation. So let's go attack 1, add track. No, I want to particles, emitting key, create a reset, sure. So from frame, whatever this frame is. I can't see FPS. I wish I could see FPS. Oh yeah, okay, now I can see it. Yeah, so frame 7. So from frame 7, we're gonna start showing. So now we're not. Oh, wrong particles. We turn this off. Emitting off. From frame 7, we want to be emitting these particles. And then on frame 15, let's say, we want to stop emitting particles. All right, looks good. Attack 2 on frame 10. so I did something wrong, I think. Grubbo, please re-import. Okay, Grubbo, animation player, attack 1. All good. And now attack 2. Right particles, emitting. Wait, no, this should be off by default. Emitting, create reset track on frame 10. Insert key, emitting true. Say till here, till frame 18. Then we stop emitting here. And yeah, so now, nice. The animation looks great. The particles really help. Let's get attacked by Grubbo. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Grubbo moving. Nice. Okay, so I guess that's all of the animations done. And all of the actions for the most part. So attack VFX done, attack VFX done, attack hit no, movement yes, chat bubble not yet, think action done, interact action moved, action done, move while looking done, turn towards sun, attack, follow with a distance done, random spawn not yet, and the SFXs are not yet done. Okay. Alrighty. Still need to fix that. That's a fun little thing where the weapon, the player kind of hits the, what would you call it? Hits the collider for this. So I'm going to, this being the pool, I'm going to disable that and hopefully it should still work. Yes, it does. But now it just doesn't make the sound. Yeah, sounds for the other characters would really be nice. But it's feeling a lot more lively now, so that's good. The ambient sound should really help too, I imagine. Let's see what else. I guess I could just do the chat bubble to be done with it. But yeah, this is now going to be a case of there are a lot of characters on screen and just hearing everyone is going to be a challenge. Especially if characters are close to each other. So maybe I can do something about that. Maybe. I'll see. So let's just add Grubbo a panel for now. Qbert, Juno, Grubbo, chat, bubble, no Grubbos, rect visibility color is going to be a reddish color, right? What is this one? Yeah, this one is also going to be a reddish color. The label are going to have Grubbo and long text, Juno indicator, Grubbo indicator. Right. Then I'm going to go to UI and copy over all of these and replace Juno with Grubbo. Okay, here then we add Grubbo and hide bubble Grubbo. Grubbo. Yeah. Show Grubbo text line bubble. Show Cuber. Show that. Show Grubbo text line. Show bubble. Grubbo. Grubbo. Grubbo current. Grubbo progress. Processing. Cuber. Process chat bubbles. Grubbo. Just me going on and on saying Grubbo for the next 5 minutes. Cuber progress, Juno progress. Okay, Grubbo. Let's see, Grubbo progress. No. Grubbo. Yeah, at this point I should have already just done the refactor because I am gonna need it, like very evidently. Like if there's any more characters in Grubbo, probably gonna be. Like I've kind of changed my mind regarding that. There might just be more characters actually. That's not character specific, right? And now, if I rebuild, I will need to assign Grubbo chat bubble. There, Grubbo indicator is here, and Grubbo is right here. And now, Grubbo should be able to talk. That's Qbert. Action time. Grubbo saying, I am Grubbo. There we go. Thank you, Grubbo. Glad to know that you are Grubbo. So, that's just more stuff done. Chat bubble done. Greetings. No greetings text lines. I still need to do those. Random spawn location. Yada yada. Talking. We do talking so that the axis doesn't get moved. But I guess that's a non-priority for now. Oh, wow. The lighting is not working really well in my favor right now. But it is what it is. Let's see if I can make it a little better. Doesn't matter too much right now. There we go. But will be good for our next stream. And I think I'm gonna stop it here. Gonna go make breakfast, just then continue on a little later. So, thank you very much for joining in. That's all the progress for now. My new goal is really to get as much of this done. Hopefully, maybe. Just looking at this, right, I can do Grubbo, text lines, etc. right now. If I give the same amount of effort for Rupert, I can get done Rupert in today. Because like doing the models and stuff was actually quite quick. And Rupert is actually even simpler because he's going to be a lot closer to Juno. So that should be easy. And then I guess I will be done with these 2 large blocks. And without those, I just need sound, kind of done. Sound mostly. Sand piles, that's hopefully it should be pretty fast. Just add some rock looking things that are in the shape of sand. Music, can look for that. But also my fiancée said that she might help out, so I'm not going to pressure her, but pretty excited to see if that happens. Otherwise, I'll just add some placeholders and then wait till she has more time, maybe. Endgame stuff, that might be interesting and new. But yeah, Penguin, I guess. So there are actually 3 big ones, I would say, right now. That might take a bit of time. So, all right, 4. Because one of them is just maybe a little bit personally stressful. So we have Grubbo, Rupert, then we have the Penguin plus intro sequence. That might take a while. Might take a good while. This does not have everything listed that has to be done, but hopefully just with some janky sequential stuff it could be done. And then the main menu and just menu stuff in general, that might also take a little bit. But who knows, maybe it'll be fast. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.